Hello everybody. In this video we're going to be covering the Unit 6 Week 1 vocabulary for this week's Wonders story. One of the words in our story this week is appeared. Say that word with me. Appeared. If something appeared, it came into sight. For example, buds appeared on the tree in early spring. What else do you think appeared in spring? Okay, so let's write appeared. And for the definition, write came into sight. Okay, let's move on to the next word. So another word in this week's selection is crops. Say that word with me. Crops. Crops are large numbers of plants that are grown for food. For example, the farmer grows crops of corn and wheat. What are some other crops? Okay, so write crops. And for the definition, plants grown for food. Another word in this week's selection is develop. Say that word with me. Develop. When things develop, they grow and change. For example, the tadpole will develop into a frog. What is another word for develop? Okay, write develop. And for the definition, write to grow. Okay, another word in this week's selection is edge. Say that word with me. Edge. The edge of something is the line or border where it begins or ends. For example, the ball rolled off the edge of the table. Point to the edge of your desk. Okay. Edge. Okay. And for the definition, write the border. Okay. The edge is the border. The next word in our selection is golden. Say that word with me. Golden. Something that is golden is bright and yellow like gold. For example, the golden sun shone in the blue sky. Name some things that are golden. Let's write the word golden. And for the definition, write bright and yellow like gold. Okay, another word in this week's selection is rustled. Say that word with me. Rustled. If something rustled, it made a soft noise as it was moved. For example, the leaves rustled in the wind. What else could make a rustling sound? Okay, for the definition of rustled, write made a soft, fluttering sound. Okay, the next word in our selection is shining. Say that word with me. Shining. If something is shining, it is giving out light. For example, Bill and I were shining flashlights on the book so we could read it at night. What else have you seen shining? Let's write shining. And for the definition, write giving out light. Okay. And the last word in this week's selection is stages. Say that word with me. Stages. Stages are steps in a process. For example, egg, caterpillar, and butterfly are stages in a butterfly's life. What are the stages in a cat's life? Okay. So write stages. And for the definition, write steps in a process. Okay. All right, so again, that was the last word. So until next week, I will see you soon.